guys, welcome back to Yaz YouTube. This is my mum Kerry and welcome back to part 2 of doing my mother's makeup. So this time I will not be blindfolded, I will actually have my eyes. The way I like to start off any makeup transformation is cleaning the face of excess oils. So this is, what is it? It's a cheapie, I think it's 75 cents from Kmart, and it's 30 eye makeup remover wipes, but I use it on the face because it has beautiful ingredients like cucumber, chamomile, green tea, and it's supposed to be delicate on the skin, which mum I think sort of has sensitive skin. I know I do. Do you have sensitive skin?
I do. And dry, it's not oily, my skin's not.
And then I like to go in with my concealer first. This is Creaseless Tarte Concealer. It's my favourite. It's supposed to help with creases.
Gets rid of tarts, doesn't it?
Ah!
You're not tarty with it. Sorry, go on.
Well, you look tarty, you look great.
Sorry. It's a concealed tarts. You don't know they're tarts.
The brand is Tarte.
Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, go.
I don't think people in America call it
Bad girls tarts?
I think that's a UK and Australian reference.
Okay.
Maybe not.
It's not very nice. But it's an oldie.
And a goodie. So what do you think you struggle with most when you're doing your makeup?
I think not letting it go creasy, that you can see my wrinkles and my age
around the
spots.
eyes. What are you most sensitive about on your skin when you're doing your makeup?
Oh, sensitive, I suppose it's having, because I had laser many years ago, 24 years ago, I had laser, so I've got a little bit 2 different colours of pigment here. Not as noticeable now, over the years. And also my eyes, it's more wrinkly around here, so I like to think it doesn't get all wrinkly there.
So how do you apply your foundation, Mum?
I put it on my hand, use my 2 fingers, and I rub it all over. Go with the line up, down, across my forehead.
When you were a young adult, did you use sponges?
No, never.
Always your hands?
Yeah.
What about those tricky parts underneath your eyes? And like creases and stuff, did it?
I'll get him close to my fingers.
And just do it?
Yeah.
Was that about, well, I guess it wasn't on trend back then. They didn't really have sponges? Well, they did have
Oh,
sponges.
they did. They've had sponges a long time. I remember sponges being sold in the concealed packet. You know, when you had the cream foundation, so I used to sell it. Mum used to have powders. Like, I've got that powder puff, I think, for my cheeks. I don't know, it's just a habit to get into.
Yeah.
You've always done makeup pretty classy, where I'll just throw it on.
Aww, you always look good when you put makeup on. What's something you don't want to look like when you have makeup on?
Bandicoots. Some mascaras, they say they're waterproof, and I get these black lines on my eyes. I don't know if because I've got older, do my eyes get a bit watery? I don't know what the heck that is.
I feel like it might be excess oil.
Moisturiser.
Yeah, you put the moisturiser on first. Maybe avoid your eyes when you do makeup.
That I can't stand. Like, I go out thinking I'm alright. I go to the toilet. I look at my eyes, 20 minutes later I've got bandicoot eyes. I like getting a good mascara. I used to always use waterproof. As a young girl, mascara's been my #1 tool.
Wow, you got a real indent here.
See, you need your finger, don't ya? Alright. Oh, don't make fun of me. Go. I don't like it, it feels stuck. It feels like my eyeballs come in and out. Okay. You know, one thing I used to do when I was in my 30s, I used to use, like you use lipstick for your cheeks. So did I. But I also used to put that lipstick on my eyeshadow for a quickie too.
For a quickie?
Yeah. Have you done with my eyes?
No.
Okay.
You really don't like it?
No, keep on.
Close your eyes. Apply your bronzer.
Yeah, I do what you do now.
Yeah. I like to make a boomerang shape when I put my contour on.
I learned when you were doing your makeup in college to, do the smile and then you can see where the cheek line is instead of going too far down. When I plucked them, I used to always have a thing.
What about colour?
Browny black, but I noticed with age,
Black looks better?
black does look a bit better.
How'd you used to do your makeup when you were well, did you do your makeup when you were 15?
Yeah, if I went out, like going out with your daddy.
Did you used to do blue eyeshadow?
Oh yes, I had lovely, yes, I love this blue eyeshadow I got. It was, like electric blue. I thought it was gorgeous, and I had electric pink. It was lovely pink.
Did you always put makeup on when you went out with Dad?
Yeah, always. Even when we woke up next to each other, I made sure I got out of bed and put my mascara on first. And clean my face.
Yeah.
And clear us all in the eye drops so I look nice fresh.
Yeah, that's good.
Actually tattooed my eye twice. Hurts like hell. Come on.
And it comes off.
Only lasted 2 weeks for me. And it was too painful to go back and say I'll do it again.
I don't want to. This is pain.
I did all this when I was about, I don't know,
40?
39. No, not 40. Oh, I did do it again, my second time, in 48.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, when we went for the boat cruise.
Yeah.
I had a lovely lady from Sydney that was down here in Tassie, and she did my eyebrows. She also did my eyelids, that didn't work. And she was very good, so I don't know, my eyes don't seem to take the tattoo very good.
So I think a lot of people get scared about changing their appearance, even if they want to. They get scared it's going to look a certain way. You don't like wing eyeliner?
Just tiny, if you're going to do a just tiny one.
Okay.
Tiny one.
I feel like it opens up our eyes. Yeah, it's my video! Close your eye. That looks good.
Okay. I approve.
Close.
It's too red. Oh no, it'll be alright, I'm wearing red.
You're wearing red.
Oh, I shouldn't doubt you at all.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Alright, now we're going in with Hyper Real Glow by MAC. And this, again, is also for light to medium skin tones. Okay guys, well that's the final look. What do you think? It's something that Mum would never go out in public and wear, and that's pretty much why I did it, because I wanted to see how she would go with wearing makeup that I would wear.
If I give you ink in the bar, would you?
Mum!
I wouldn't do that.
Oh. You look good.
Thank you.
How do you feel?
Yeah.
Out of your comfort zone?
Yeah, it's out of my comfort zone, but that's okay, you know.
Giving yourself some volume in your hair?
Yeah, need volume.
I think it looks good. I think you look good with pink. Something that Mum always comments that she doesn't like. What about the pink on your eyeshadow?
Yeah. Yeah, it's good.
From far away.
Far away. Yeah. Yeah, looks good. Far away. And close up. Far away.
Does it look different on here?
Oh yeah, looks better. Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, there it's very harsh.
Oh, okay, no, it looks better there. Yeah, that's what people say.
Yeah, that's what people say.
Thank you. Can't help myself. You like what you...
Alright, well thanks Mum for letting me use you as a guinea pig, and thanks for going out of your comfort zone, and I think you look good.
Thank you, Bubby.
Okay guys, well that's it for today's makeup challenge, doing my mum's makeup, and I think she looked pretty good. Thank you for watching, subscribe and comment down below any other makeup challenges you think I should try, and see you next time. Bye!
I just looked in the mirror and I really do like the makeup. It's a lot better than what I thought it would do.
She's changed her mind.
Yes, I do. I approve. It's
But you
very
did
better.
say you liked it before, but you're lying.
So, no, I wasn't lying. I'm thinking, well, it's a little bit dark, but I just looked and it's not. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Need to say that a second time.
Okay, love you.
Bye.
Bye.